So you've never been skiing before and you're wondering what to pack. Well, I just got back from my first ever ski trip. And let me tell you, I had an absolute blast. It was epic. But researching and trying to figure out what to wear was a bit of a nightmare. So I thought I'd make a video for all of the first time skiers out there, fashionista skiers who want some cute fancy fits. So what I started off by doing is doing lots of research on YouTube and all that jazz, and I made a cute little PowerPoint. Well, no, Photoshop kind of situation, and I planned out all of my outfits because I don't know, I thought that with skiing you just need to bring lots of like big heavy stuff, like, you know, a scarf and a big ski suit and a big ski coat and all that kind of stuff, and all of the warmth comes from like the jackets that you bring. But no, that's not where the warmth comes from. The warmth comes from layering. So here's my handy little PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have kind of put everything out, laid everything out really clearly so I know what I'm wearing each day. Now I went for 7 days and 6 days of skiing. So this is the way it works. You have to have a certain amount of layers depending on how cold it was. Now I looked at the weather and it said it was going to be between -10 degrees and 1 degree. So I mean, I needed to pack for like whatever the eventualities were with the weather. Now I'm not going to go through every single thing that I packed, but I'll give you a list of the essentials. The full list can be found in the link in bio, but here is kind of like a visual representation of all of the stuff that all of the essential things that you need to pack. Layer number 1, that's going to be a tank top. Layer number 2, a nice sort of polo neck jumper to cover your neck. And then you've got to have base layers. Now the way it works is you have base layers, mid layers, and then your ski suit. You can either have a ski suit, which is kind of like, imagine like a whole onesie, which is a waterproof situation, or you can have a ski jacket and then salopettes, which are kind of like the trousers that go with the jacket. I decided to go with a ski suit. Now, before talking to anybody, I thought that you need to have a different ski suit for each day. So I basically almost bought 6 ski suits. They're not cheap. My friends were like, what are you doing? That is not how it works. You only need to have 1 ski suit or 1 jacket and salopettes, or both if you feel like, you know, you want to change it up a little bit, splash a little bit, you know, but the bare minimum is you need to have 1 of these things. So from my experience, I went with 1 ski suit, but I actually would have preferred to go with 2, just because you kind of wear the same stuff and you get sweaty in the ski suit, so it would be nice to change over. That's just my personal opinion. So if I were you, I'd take 2, but I took 1, and it was this cute jazzy number. Loves it, from Oosk. Okay, whenever you see people on the slopes wearing Oosk, you can just see them from afar because they're super jazzy, jazzy vibes, 90s vibes, and that's kind of like what I was going for. So now if you have a day where it's going to be 0 degrees or 1 degree or whatnot, then I would take the majority of his layers away and just wear the base layers and your ski suit, and then have a little snood. A snood is really cute because you can just kind of have those and it just goes over your neck and it just stays there, and you can put it up to cover your face, or you could just have it down here kind of thing. Okay, so let's go through all the outfits like one by one. Let's do a little try on haul of all the stuff that I wore on my ski trip. So outfit number 1 is this cute kind of like onesie blue situation. It was super figure hugging, hugged me in all the right places, looks really cute. And what I like to do is double the base layers as kind of like night outfit. For the night time, you go home and then you either go back to chalet and get changed and then go out somewhere in the evening, which for like a nice dinner or to party some more. So for that, I got this cute gilet from Pretty Little Thing. I don't really like to shop at Pretty Little Thing too much because I don't like seeing people wearing the same stuff as me. But anyway, I got this cute number, and then I got these really cute mittens, the furry mittens. Everyone kept stroking these furry mittens because they were so cute. And then, oh my god, the glasses that I actually had to wear the whole week, basically I left it at Folly Juice. Like it just got lost, so I don't have it with me at the moment. But these glasses I had as well as kind of like a backup, so I'm wearing these at the moment. But here's a picture of how I looked with the glasses that I actually got, and they were like a cute little wraparound situation. Loved those so much. Such a vibe, got so many compliments. Yeah, and then also the earmuffs were cute. I had the earmuffs and the whole look, and it was just like, yeah, it was just like a nice cute look to kind of like change into after like a full day of skiing. Okay, so that was day 1. Day 2, I wore different base layers. Now this base layer is really cute from Oosk. Love Oosk. They had like really cute jazzy colors. Then I would basically just change ribbon in my hair because that's cute, and yeah, I'd have that with my ski suit. Day 3, I had this cute Adidas black and white number, which I really fucking loved because it just, I don't know, it gave me circus vibes, and I just love like block colors, and like, you know, it's just a vibe for me, and it just fit like a glove. Loved it. It was super warm inside, like fleecy inside. Loved it. Oh, another thing I forgot is with my black and white base layer, I also wore that in the evening in the chalet with this really beautiful Oosk again. Beautiful Oosk kind of like 90s inspired colourful fleece, which was too big to fit under my ski suit, so I just used it as like a cute big jumper, and I absolutely loved it. It was so cozy, so comfortable, and kind of like went with my vibe, and I absolutely loved wearing it. And then for what day are we on now? Day 4, I would repeat the base layers. So I had 3 layers, 3 base layers, and you kind of just wear them twice throughout the whole week. I think that's enough, because you don't want to have like one base layer and just like it just gets sweaty and disgusting, so it's good to have at least 3. And then for kind of like chilling in the chalet, I brought lots of jumpers, and for like nighttime stuff. So one of them is the jumper that I'm wearing right now. I love this jumper so much. Like I've really got into menswear. Like I love menswear. I have menswear jumpers, just they fit the best. Like this is basically an extra large, and I paired that with like my little bandana. Like I'm just kind of like in a hippie phase at the moment, and I love a bandana, so I kind of like wore the bandana, and like just had cute joggers and my cute bag from Colombia, like a market in Colombia when I was there last year, and it's just like cozy hippie vibes, and that's kind of like one of the outfits that I wore in the evening, and they had like lots of accessories, etc. And then another evening outfit was this cute Tommy Hilfiger number. For this one I wanted to have like a dungarees kind of like cute look. Oh, I forgot to say that this jumper is from Boohoo Man, and it was really cheap. It was like £20. It's sick. This is another jumper. I had no idea that it was a cricket jumper. My friends were laughing at me. They were just like, you do realise you're wearing a cricket jumper? And I was like, oh, am I? Why not? So I wore that, and you can make it like really cute and like have like it as an off the shoulder situation. And then I put my dungarees on top, Tommy Hilfiger dungarees, and I thought that was a bit of a vibe. But yeah, it was cute. Like wore that around the chalet. And then I also have this really huge, again, ASOS men's fleece, super colourful, extra large, super big. Absolutely loved it. It was so cozy and so nice to kind of like go out into the mountains and just kind of chill for like a cute dinner, and stuff, and it kept me super warm, so I loved this vibe. Last but not least, I had my ski suit. Now my ski suit was just the pièce de résistance. It was so nice because basically every single time I went to like hit the slopes, everybody kind of like recognized me. Like all of my friends could find me. They're like, oh look, there's Maz, there she goes in her ski suit. So yeah, I kind of like wore this all day, and I had these really cute ski goggles that went with it, and these cute gloves, and it was just like cute, colourful 90s vibes, and I loved wearing it every single day. It's just such a beautiful ski suit, and to be honest, I miss wearing it right now. I wish I could wear it every day for the rest of my life. So yeah, invest in a really cool, fun ski suit that you're happy to wear every single day, and trust me, you will not regret it. It was super waterproof, super comfortable. It had all of these things that you could open to let the air in, and really good compartments to put your phone and your ski pass and stuff, so that was good. Yeah. I also bought 2 jackets. Forgot to model these, apologies, but I'll add some pictures here and here of what they look like. Just a really baggy Tommy Hilfiger jacket, which was like super warm, and I only really wore this like from the airport to the location and then location back to the airport, and it's just like nice and warm. And then here is my airport outfit. Now everyone has an airport outfit. So this airport outfit, again, I had my orange joggers, and then I had my this cute little jumper, which I really loved. Again, men's little number, and my bandana, and of course my Columbia knitted bag, which I absolutely love. Yeah, you need to look cute in the airport as well as everything else, because that's the point, isn't it? I would recommend only taking like 1 fleece to wear underneath your ski suit, because you're not going to need to wear it the whole time, only on cold days. And yeah, so that's kind of everything that I brought. Yeah, a couple of other things to mention. Make sure you bring lots of SPF for your face. Bring SPF spray to kind of like top up. Bondi Sands do a really good SPF where you can just spray it over your face to apply it over your makeup. So that's what I would kind of like reapply with, and it's also good because it covers your lips as well. And then also Bondi Sands also do like really good SPF for your lips, and different flavors, so you can use that and then spray, and you're good to go. Bring lots and lots of sunglasses, because the brightness is insane. The sun reflecting off of the snow is so bright, so you're going to need sunglasses all the time and stuff. And when your ski goggles is not the most practical thing. Also, girlies, you're going to need makeup, but like not too much makeup. Just make sure you always bring like powder and stuff to kind of like top yourself up, because when you go out, there's not really much time to go home and get changed. Things just escalate so quickly, and you probably just go out, you're skiing all day and you end up just like going out to party straight away just in your ski suit. So I would bring like either a bum bag or like a backpack, and put like your makeup to top up your makeup. Put trainers, you don't have to wear your ski boots all day, and like SPF and all that kind of stuff, and your headphones for if you want to listen to music. Bring that all with you. Make sure you're good to go at all times. And then a couple of other things I brought was 2 swimsuits for the jacuzzi. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to talk about. Okay, so if you are a black girly like me and you're wondering what on earth to do with your hair when you go skiing. Now, this was one of my biggest worries. I didn't really want to have my hair out. You know, like, we don't like to have our hair out when it comes to going on holiday because the maintenance is just way too much. So I wanted to get my braids done, but I couldn't have like my long, beautiful, luscious braids that I always do down to my booty, because that is just inconvenient. You're wearing a whole ski suit, you're wearing a helmet, you're wearing all these things. The last thing you want is like lots of hair kind of everywhere. So my biggest concern was having a big enough helmet to fit over my braids. My goodness, I'm gonna show you the moment where I was like panicking, and I got there and I was like, what if they don't have a helmet to fit my braids? Do you know what I mean? But then I thought to myself, do you know what, people have big heads, so I could probably just use one of the helmets that people use for big heads. And that's exactly what happened. I got there and they gave me the biggest helmet they had in the whole showroom. So if you wanted to know if you can fit braids in a helmet, I've got the grande helmet right here. And you do it like this. Yes. Voila. As you can see, I pushed all my hair back, had my hair down. I only got these like really short twists done down to my shoulders ish, like down to here. Had my hair down and pushed my hair back, put the helmet on, and guess what, girlies? It fit! Yay! It fit and it was comfortable and it was all good. It wasn't too tight, it was fine. So thank God. My biggest recommendation is get really like soft twists that can be compressed on your head. That's the best advice I can give you, and you'll be just fine. Yeah, and that's kind of everything that I can think of for now. I had the absolute very best time. just ski trips are the best. Happy packing. I hope you have the best time on your ski trip. You can go and look absolutely fabulous and bougie and beautiful, but also stay nice and warm and safe and comfortable, and that's the main thing. So I hope this helps, and I hope you have all of your fabulous, wonderful things. You have your fabulous, wonderful, expansive list of things that you need to take with you. Thank you for watching. I really hope this helped. Happy packing, everybody, and I'll see you next year for the next ski trip. Yay! Bye. Is this shit recording? Is it? Okay. Sorry, I was just checking this shit was recording.